Is your Windows 11 PC giving you slow internet even though your plan promises much faster speed? Then don't worry. In this video, I will guide you through simple, safe and effective steps that can help improve your internet connection. So let's begin and get your internet running smoothly again. Before changing any settings, it's important to confirm what speed you are actually getting. Check your plan's download and upload speeds. So first, click on Wi-Fi icon and go to Network and Internet settings. Then go to Advanced Network settings. Now click on Run an Internet Speed Test. And here click on Start to check your internet speed. Here's what the results mean. Ping means how quickly your PC sends and receives the response. Lower ping means smoother performance, especially for gaming. Download speed means how fast data comes into your PC. Upload speed means how fast your PC sends data to the internet. This gives you a baseline before applying any fixes. Windows updates sometimes use too much internet in the background, slowing down your browsing. Let's limit that. So right click on Start and then go to Settings. Now go to Windows Update. After that, click Advanced Options. Now under Additional Options, click on Delivery Optimization. Now turn off Allow downloads from other devices. Next, let's limit the bandwidth. Click Download Options. Choose Absolute Bandwidth. Now tick both boxes. The keep default values 1 Mbps and 5 Mbps. Or choose percentage of measured bandwidth. Tick both and keep default values 45% and 90%. For upload options, if downloads from other devices were previously on, you can set upload limits as well. But if they were off, you don't need to adjust anything here. A metered connections can limit your speed without you realizing it. So first go to settings. Then go to network and internet. If you are using Wi-Fi, then click Wi-Fi. And then select your network. Now turn off metered connection. As you can see here, I already turned it off. But if you are using Ethernet, click Ethernet. Then turn off metered connection. Viruses and malware can also slow down your network. So go to Windows Search and search Virus and Threat Protection and click on it. Now click Scan Options. Then choose Full Scan. And now click Scan Now. This might take some time, so keep patience until it's complete. But it ensures your system is clean and safe. Sometimes Windows reduces your internet speed to save power. We will turn that off so your adapter always performs at full speed. So right click on Windows Start. Then go to Device Manager. After that, go to Network Adapter. Now right click Yours. Then go to Properties. After that, Power Management. Now from here, turn off. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Now your adapter stays active all the time, giving you more stable and faster internet. Windows has Xbox related services that may use internet in the background, even if you don't use Xbox features. So go to Windows Search and type Services. Then open Services. Now find Xbox Live Auth Manager and Xbox Live Networking Service. Now right click and then click Stop and then set Startup Type to Manual. This frees up extra bandwidth and reduces hidden background usage. All network cache, logs, and temporary files can slow down your browsing speed. So go to Windows Search and type Disk Cleanup. Now click on it. Then select C drive and then click OK. Now here check files you want to delete like temporary files, system cache, etc. And then click OK. Cleaning these files gives your network a fresh start and often boosts speed instantly. Your default DNS may not be the fastest. Switching to Cloudflare or Google DNS can improve both speed and website loading. So open Control Panel. Now click on it. Now click Network and Sharing Center. Now select your Wi-Fi or Ethernet name. Click Properties. Now double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP or IPv4. Now choose the option Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the DNS details manually. For Cloudflare DNS, type 1.1.1.1 as the preferred DNS server and 1.0.0.1 as the alternate DNS server. For Google DNS, type 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS server. This change helps your PC find websites faster and can improve your internet speed. Now click OK to save. Try both and see which works better for you. Now your PC must be feeling much better and your internet should be running faster than before. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.